Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I want to show you the new layout which TikTok is trialing out at the moment. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit that like button if you find this video useful. Recently, I've noticed TikTok's new update where now they have changed the layout of their front page. So let me show you what changes you'll see in the coming weeks or days. So for example, at the top here, you'll see different categories. So if you swipe to the left, you'll see your normal For You page. Next to that, you'll see your following page. So the people you're following. Next to that, you have different categories. So if I swipe all the way to the left, it'll start off with food. So you'll see videos about food. If you like your recipes, you can tap on that category at the top and you'll be able to see all the recipes which you enjoy. The next one is sports. So if you're into cricket, into football, you can see all the highlights, game of the day, or any news about your sports. The next one is fashion. So if you like your try-on videos, you've got some accessories, and you've got some art, henna, and tattoos. Next to that, you have your gaming section. In this, you have videos about all the games which people are playing and which they enjoy. So there you go. That's a new layout of TikTok where you can see different categories on your For You page. And you'll be able to find specific videos more easily on TikTok. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.